Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Tetris theme song on piano. Let's start by finding the main melody. The song begins with a simple, recognizable phrase. Focus on playing the notes smoothly with your right hand. Take your time to ensure each note is clear and accurate. Repetition is key to building muscle memory and confidence. Now, let's add the left hand to create a fuller sound. The left-hand part is often a simple bass line or basic chords that complement the melody. Start by practicing the left-hand part alone, then slowly combine both hands. Focus on keeping a consistent tempo and ensuring both hands play together precisely. To make your performance more engaging, focus on dynamics and expression. Try varying your touch to create louder and softer sections, adding musicality. Maintain a steady tempo throughout the piece, but don't be afraid to add a slight accent to certain notes to highlight the melody. This brings the music to life. Consistent practice is essential for improvement. Aim for short, focused sessions rather than long, infrequent ones. If you encounter a challenging section, break it down and practice it separately until it feels comfortable. Once you've mastered the basic melody, explore different arrangements or variations to keep it interesting and expand your skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.